Hi, in the previous video we saw how important all the financial statements are. Now let's take a look at an example. The income statement may tell one story, but the statement of cash flows may show something totally different. That's exactly what happened with W.T. Grant, which was one of the largest retailers in the US in the 1970s. W.T. Grant was the Walmart of their day, but they had a management team that couldn't keep up with the consumer trends. In an effort to boost sales, they decided to promote their own company credit card. Unfortunately, they did not put the proper controls in place. As a result, they extended credit to several customers who were unable to pay the bills. Although this did drive increase in sales and net income, they were not able to fully collect the cash from the credit they extended. If an investor were only to look at the income statement, everything would appear fine. But if that investor were also to look at the statement of cash flow, they would get an entirely different picture. Analysis of statement of cash flow could have provided an earlier indicator of the troubles ahead.